How to fix this site is not secure on Google Chrome error. Now, this is generally happens if you will access or visit a certain site that is not actually secure. So Google Chrome actually detects it. Now, it is usually shown or be visible on the left portion of the search box. Now, it's actually an easy fix. All I have to do is go to the three dots at the top right portion of your browser and then head directly to settings. Then here what you want to do is head to privacy and security. Scroll down a bit, head directly to security, and this is where you can change it to no protection, which will not protect you from any sites that you will be visiting. And also on the secure connection, you just gotta turn this off, go back to your page, and have it refreshed. And that's it. That's how you fix this site is not secure on Google Chrome error.